In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create two YouTube channels in one Gmail account. To begin, open YouTube in your web browser or in the YouTube app, and make sure you are signed in to the Google account you want to use. YouTube lets you create more than one channel under the same account by using a separate channel identity, often called a brand channel. This is useful if you want one channel for one type of content and a second channel for something completely different, while still managing everything from the same sign-in. Once you are on YouTube, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is the circle with your account picture or an initial. Clicking it opens your account menu, where you can access your YouTube and account settings. From that menu, click Settings. On the Settings page, find and click Account. This section includes options related to how your YouTube channels are connected to your Google account. Next, select Add or Manage your channel. This area shows the channels currently associated with your account, and it is also where you can create a new one. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, especially if you use multiple accounts on the same device. Now click Create a Channel. You may see it as a plus icon. This starts the process for adding a second channel under the same Google sign-in. You will be asked to enter a channel name. Choose a name that matches the content you plan to post, since this is what viewers will see. After you type your channel name, check the consent box. This is simply acknowledging the terms required to create the channel. Then click Create. YouTube will generate the new channel and attach it to your account. In some cases, YouTube may prompt you to verify by entering a phone number. If that happens, follow the prompt, enter the requested information, and click Continue to finish the verification and proceed. After that, your second channel is created, and you can switch between channels from the profile icon menu whenever you need to manage or upload to each one. And that is all there is to it.